Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of healthy eating and cooking with some simple recipes and meal prep ideas for a vibrant living in 2024. First up, let's talk about smoothies. A great way to start the day is with a fruit and veggie-packed smoothie. It's easy to make, delicious, and packed with nutrients. You can mix and match whatever fruits or veggies you have on hand, like banana, strawberry, spinach, or kale. Next, let's try out a refreshing salad. A simple salad with mixed greens, tomatoes, cucumber, red onion, feta cheese, and a homemade vinaigrette dressing is a great lunch idea. Plus, it's easy to prep ahead of time and take on the go. Now when it comes to dinner time, let's make some chicken tikka masala. It's a flavorful dish that can be made in just 30 minutes using pre-marinated chicken breast from the store. Serve it over rice or with naan bread for a complete meal. Finally, for snacking throughout the day or as an afternoon pick-me-up treat, let's whip up some protein balls. All you need is oatmeal, peanut butter, and chocolate chips for an irresistible energy booster that will keep you going all day long. So there you have it. Simple recipes and meal prep ideas for vibrant living in 2024. Thank you so much for joining us today. If you enjoyed this video and want more healthy eating hacks like this one, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more great content coming your way soon. Until next time, folks.
Subscribe for more content.